Hi guys, it's Anna and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make these absolutely scrumptious chocolate chip cookie bars. They're crunchy on the top and gooey in the centre and hardly take any time to prepare. First up, we're going to add in the plain flour, the baking powder, the baking soda, and the salt, and sift them together into a bowl. To that we're going to add in the oats, then give that a quick whisk together to combine. Into a separate bowl we're going to add in the sugar, the cashew butter, and the vanilla. Then give that a good mix together on high for about a minute. To that we're going to add in the flour and oat mixture, the milk, then slowly incorporate the mixture through until just combined. To that we're then going to add in the chocolate chips and give them a good mix until they're well incorporated through. If you find it a bit easier, you can mix them through with clean hands. We're then going to press our mixture into a baking tin that's been lined with some baking paper. Making sure that it's nice and even all the way around. We're then going to pop that into the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. Once out of the oven, we're going to let it cool in the tin completely before slicing. Oh yeah, they're so gooey and fudgy with that crispy top, they're absolutely delicious. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, making sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Thanks so much for watching, I really do appreciate it, and I'll see you all next week. Bye!